What's up, everybody? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com. Today I'm going to talk about Clickfunnels versus LinkTree. All right, welcome back. So if you're into making money online and you enjoy how-to videos, a lot of good tips, this is a channel for you. Make sure you subscribe, bang that notification bell, and like this video. All right, let's get started. So this is kind of funny. I was actually in a group on Facebook called the Clickfunnels group, and some guy posted this. His name was Marion. I don't know him personally, but he's like, talking about, I use Clickfunnels instead of LinkTree for your Instagram bio. Now, it looks like he just had a free LinkTree profile, and I actually had a pro version, which I already have deleted. But let me just talk to you a little bit about LinkTree and what that is, and then what the purpose of it is, and then Clickfunnels as well. Now, LinkTree is basically you can sign up for free, but you're very limited. You're going to have a link that looks like this. It's just a couple, a few different things. If you want to get the pro version, which is like $6 a month, then you get a lot more stuff. You get to have I think Facebook pixel you can put in there. You can also have a lot more links, just different stuff here. So it's a nice alternative. If you don't want to spend a lot of money but you want to have a nice link, the reason you're going to want to have a link is because on your Instagram, for example, let's go to Instagram, meathead, Instagram, marketing meathead Instagram. So let's see if I can find it here. Instagram. Yeah, I think that's it. Anyway, no, that's not what I wanted. Instagram, marketing meathead. All right, my Instagram, obviously, if you want to join, is marketing meathead. And notice here you have one link, okay? And now it used to be like a m./m something LinkTree, okay? Now you notice I have this link here that says briansurreal.com/Instagram, okay? Looks a lot more legit, okay? Because when you have LinkTree, it's kind of like generic. It's like kind of like a bit.ly link. It's not like a real domain. You don't know what you're going to click on when you get it. Here you're looking at like a real website that you're getting an actual, interesting thing, okay? So the way Instagram works is you only get one link. So you want to have that link out to something important, whether it be a PDF of some sort or a sign-up form, or depending on what you're trying to do, maybe it links out to a video or something. But for me, I have a lot of stuff going on. I have a YouTube channel, I have a free affiliate course, I have a blog post, I have a personal site, I have an educational site, and I have a ton of social media links. So what I want to do is, the whole purpose of LinkTree would be to have that link set it up so that it goes, if somebody clicks on the link, they have all these options to click to, okay? And so I had a nice one set up. It was purple. I themed it out. It looked really nice. I had some icons, made it look really nice. But I was paying $6 a month, which is not a lot of money. But at the end of the day, $6 a month times 12, that's like an extra $70-80 a year I'm spending, but I'm already paying for Clickfunnels, okay? I have a lot of stuff going on with Clickfunnels, and I'm like, this guy's right. I can just build this thing in Clickfunnels, so why am I paying another subscription when I don't have to? So I went ahead and canceled my LinkTree. I had my VA and myself, we built out a new Clickfunnels, and here's what it looks like. Okay, let's go ahead and click on this. Click on Brian Surreal, and boom. Now look at how nice this looks, okay? Not only can I do more stuff with my Clickfunnels account, and I can make it look nicer than I could with a LinkTree. You're a little more limited with LinkTree and what you can do. So notice here I got some nice icons, free course, there's my blog, personal website, educational site, and then all my social media links all work, all light up, very nice. If you look at this in mobile, we're going to do, let's see, inspect. Yeah, take a look here on mobile. See how nice this looks, okay? Just as good, if not better, than LinkTree. Plus, we can do a lot more with the background and whatnot in Clickfunnels. So, yeah, it was actually not hard at all to build. It didn't take that long. It took us about about an hour or so to really build it out and make it look nice. In Clickfunnels, you can play around with all the icons. You can put the links in here. You can do a lot more stuff. You can also put your domain. So I went ahead and connected my domain here, and then another thing you can do that LinkTree could do as well, you can put your Facebook pixel code in there, so you can start capturing your page views and whatnot. So all the cool things that you can do with LinkTree you can do in ClickFunnels, and obviously if you're already paying for ClickFunnels, you might as well just build that in ClickFunnels and not have to worry about paying another monthly fee. So this video, I'm not going to make it too long here, but everything here is pretty easy. You can get these designed on Pfeiffer if you're not a good designer. This is just playing around with the font, image too. You can get that done in Canva, or you can do that, have a designer do that, and then all these little icons and stuff. My designer did this. But yeah, it looks pretty dope. I mean, I think it's a nice actually upgrade from LinkTree, and then I have a nice custom domain here instead of LinkTree domain. It just says briansurreal.com/Instagram. It goes right to that page. It's got all my links. It just looks really legit, in my opinion. So definitely hope you guys take advantage of this. If you are interested in getting ClickFunnels through me, I think I do have an affiliate link I'll put below. Yeah, I actually do for ClickFunnels. I know I do. I'm not sure if I have one for LinkTree or not, but not sure if they do an affiliate program. But if I do have one for LinkTree, I'll put it below as well. If you don't want to spend the large number you have to spend to get ClickFunnels every month, you can get LinkTree for $6 a month, and it kind of does the same thing. It's just not quite as ability to make it custom. Okay, but if you're already paying for ClickFunnels, then don't pay for LinkTree. That's what I would suggest in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed today. Make sure you like this video. If you like the content, leave me a comment below. I am the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later.